headache unless I will get you inside my nose for 2 minutes. Believe what I say. If I hear anything, hello, don't give me unnecessary headache unless I will get you inside my nose for 2 minutes. Believe what I say. If I hear anything, hello, don't give me unnecessary.
Auntie wasn't having it. Auntie wasn't having it. Like, and she was like, if your parents did not give you home training, I will give you that home training that you're missing. Let's look at the comments though. Hold on. So I say African mothers, they are everyone's mothers. They won't hesitate to discipline you. Exactly what I just said. Like, that's how we grew up. Like, honestly, you don't have to be blood related for an African parent or to look after you, to tell you if you're doing something wrong. Whereas nowadays, especially in these European countries, there's so many child rights, social services. Kids are not respectful of their elders. The violence as well. They could just do so much that maybe some people hold back when they see something wrong. But it's funny, see it, say it, sort it. Exactly. Notice the silence. Little man knew it was right thing to do. Did Auntie say, I'll put you in my nose for 2 minutes? The hello was not a formal greeting. I swear the aunties could run the country better than anyone else. Comment down what you guys think though. If this is someone's auntie or if you guys know the kids, comment down. I wonder if this is the parent. But anyway, like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one.